How big is this one? Way bigger than the last one. Multiple buildings down. We've got multiple networks all over the city, so it's fairly large. What about this one behind us here? Serious. We don't know how many people are in the building now, so we have got 10 people that are trying to get in now, but we don't know much more until we get in. Okay, great. What's your name? Shane. Last name? Cole. Cole. Thanks, Shane. No.
Okay, as we saw there, they were fresh pictures coming straight to us. They're unedited, and it's the first time we have seen them as well, many of those. These are some pictures that are coming to us. We have seen some of these, excuse me, but all the pictures we are seeing are very recently, and as you can see, absolute chaos there right in the city centre. Roads are damaged. We've heard that buildings have been damaged. It's a 6.3 earthquake that they have felt there in Christchurch. They've already had more small aftershocks. It was centred within 5 k's of Lyttelton, but felt over a very wide area from Wellington to Hamilton. We've seen many people who have looked like they have had injuries, and we're unaware yet of any casualties or people trapped in buildings. But we will let you know as soon as we hear any information on that.
I've just been arguing an employment case. Puts it all into perspective, doesn't it?
This is all unedited.
Home life down. Yeah, come out here. Come out here. Get out on the street, mate. Careful, mate.
Okay, again we're looking at some pictures here that have just come to us in recent times of what has happened in Christchurch. We've had a 6.3 magnitude earthquake. We've heard that the city centre is gridlocked. People are trying to negotiate their way out in cars, which is causing quite a bit of problems with it, especially they've got traffic lights are out. Many people are trying to get out of the city to get home to see their families and make sure everyone is safe. We've heard that the roads are running with water as well, and there's a huge chunk of the cathedral has reportedly collapsed. We're not sure if people were inside at the time. The Pine Gold building in Cambridge Terrace has also collapsed. And the whole city centre there is in gridlock. The Arts Centre has also taken a huge hit, and the Telecom building. Okay, and we've had information just recently from the Mayor Bob Parker, who was actually inside the council chambers in the central city when the earthquake hit. He was thrown quite a distance by the earthquake.
Ooh.
He told Radio New Zealand that it was as bad as the earthquake that was on September the 4th. And that there were scenes of great confusion on the streets. He is aware of injuries in his building. he said that there has been unconfirmed reports of serious injury in the city. And there has been information urging people not to drink the water supply.
Arguing in an employment case, what's the one with the perspective? Yeah, come out here. Come out here.